Hi, zoologists! It's time for us to travel to the rainforest. I'm so excited. This book is called The Rainforest, written by John Lockyer. Let's explore the rainforest. Rainforests are very, very old. They have been on Earth for millions of years. Can you believe that? A rainforest is full of trees, plants, flowers, and animals. It rains there on most days. I bet that's why it's called the rainforest. Rainforests in hot countries are warm and wet all year. Sometimes they are called jungles. More kinds of animals and plants live in the rainforests than anywhere else in the world. Trees in the rainforest can be as high as a tall building. The tops of the trees make a canopy, like the roof. Canopy means kind of like a roof, like up at the top. It's so thick it keeps that rain from falling down. The canopy makes the floor of the forest very dark. Snails and spiders and insects live there and all kinds of plants. Many kinds of birds live in the canopy of the forest. Remember, canopy means the very top part. They build nests in the branches. Their food is insects and seeds. Monkeys swing from tall branches and vines high, high up in that canopy. They like to eat fruit and nuts. This is a scarlet macaw. Isn't it beautiful? And this is a red howler monkey. Little tree frogs hop along the branches, and bright butterflies live there too. Bats fly quietly at night. This is called a red-eyed tree frog. Snakes are hard to see as they slide along the rainforest trees. This snake is called a green python. The biggest hunters on the forest floor are hungry tigers and jaguars. Jaguars can climb trees, and they like to hunt at night. In this picture, you can see a tiger. Now, some people live in the rainforest. Their homes are huts, and they use canoes to travel on the rivers. They catch fish and hunt animals. Rainforest children do not go to school, but they have to learn all about life in the rainforest. Now let's read and respond. You'll need a piece of paper. It can be a piece of scrap paper or Be Nice Use Twice paper and some crayons. I want you to draw the rainforest. We were just there, remember, in the book? What were some of the plants that you saw in the pictures and the photographs? What were some of the animals we read about and insects? Go ahead and do your best job drawing the rainforest. Once you're done drawing, add labels. So if you draw a tree, you're going to try to stretch out the sounds and write the word tree. T, tr, e, tr, e. If you drew an animal, try to label it so that we know what each thing is in your picture. Have fun!